Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to submit your documents for next week's assignments. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to sign into Google Classrooms. Then you're going to go to your class for me. Okay? Hit that. Then you are going to go to classwork. I have put them into categories for you. You have spelling and you have writing assignments this week. Okay? So the first one we're going to talk about is spelling. Click on spelling. Then go down to your assignment for the week. Of course, read the directions. And I already noticed that I have a spelling error, or a grammar error, excuse me. It says complete the list of assignments in these slides for week 2. The first is a word search. You will need to use the toolbar to create lines that you'll use to show me you've found the words in the word search. Continue learning the words by typing synonyms and antonyms for each. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. You're going to click on the Google Slide project. Then you are going to make a copy. You go to File, Make a Copy, make sure you click on Entire Presentation. You are going to change the file name to your name. Okay? Then you're going to click OK. After that, this is where you can start to do the project. I'll show you how to do that. You're going to follow each step. First, you're going to type your name here. Okay? Okay, you're going to agree that you're not going to share your answers with others because that's called cheating. We don't do that here. Okay? Then you're going to do a word search. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a line to complete the word search. You're going to go right here to where it says line. Click on that. It's going to create a line. Now, when you find a word, you are going to take your line as far as you want it to go. That's obviously not a word. Then from there you can change the line color. I'm going to change mine to yellow because it's really obvious and you want your teacher to be able to see it. Then you can go to line weight, means the thickness of the line, and you can increase that. Okay? And once you click off of it, you'll have to do that again for each line. So you'll do line again, create a line. And I'm sure you guys have quicker ways to do this. You're probably better at it than me. Anyways, after you've done the word search, you're going to go to the next slide. Then it says find a synonym for each word. These are your words right here. These are all of your words, and you're going to find synonyms for each. And then on the next slide, you'll find antonyms for each. And I know you're thinking, how am I going to do that, Sister Johnson? I don't know how to do that. Or Sister Samantha, whatever you call me. You can use Google. Google has several different dictionaries you can use. You can type in, what is a synonym for ostrich? And find a synonym, okay? What is an antonym? You can also use a physical dictionary, okay? So now the big question, how do I submit this? I'm sure you can hear my kids in the background, I'm sorry. How do I submit this document into Google Classrooms? Never fear, your teacher is here. I can help you do that. So what you'll want to do after you have completed everything, you are going to hit share, everything for spelling. Let me clarify. You're going to hit get shareable link. Okay? The link has now been copied. Okay? After that, you're going to go over to add or create. This is where you submit your work. Add or create, get the link. Then you're going to hit copy and paste, okay? Your parents may have to help you with that. On a Mac, it's Command V. On a desktop with a mouse, it's going to be you right-click and hit paste. On a phone, you know you're going to have to hold the screen down and hit copy, and then you're going to have to hold the screen down and hit paste, okay? And then you're going to hit add link. You're going to wait on that for a second, and you'll know that it's yours. You'll know that it's there because it'll have your name on it, right? It says Samantha, April 6th. Then you're going to hit turn in. And you turn it in. Okay?